In this video, we'll show you what to do if the sound is not working on your Dell laptop. So to fix this, first right click on the speaker icon on the taskbar and then select sound settings. Now in the settings window that opens, go to the output section and make sure the correct audio device is selected from this list. After selecting the correct device, click this arrow next to it. Now here you will need to scroll down and go to this audio enhancements and make sure they are turned off from here. You can also try using different formats using this drop down menu and then use this test button to see if that gets the sound to work. However, if that doesn't work or if your audio device doesn't appear on this list, what you can do is scroll down and then click on this more sound settings option. Now in this window you need to go to this playback tab. Right click anywhere on an empty spot and select show disabled device. Now if your audio device is disabled like this, simply right click on it and then set it to enable. Once you have enabled the device, select it and then set it to default using this option. Another thing you need to do is select your device and then go to properties. Now here go to this enhancements tab and select disable all enhancements. Now go to this advanced option and then select this restore defaults and then hit apply followed by OK. Once you have done this, go to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result. In the services window, you will need to scroll down and then locate this Windows audio service. Now double click it. Now make sure the startup type is set to automatic from this menu and then make sure the service is running. If it's not, simply click on the start option and then hit apply followed by OK. Similarly, repeat the same steps for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder as well. So make sure its startup type is automatic and make sure it's running and then hit apply followed by OK. However, if nothing else works, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, you'll need to expand audio inputs and outputs. Now here right click on your speaker device and then select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall again to confirm. Similarly, scroll down and then go to sound, video and game controllers. Find your audio device, right click on it and then uninstall it as well. So make sure to select this checkbox and hit uninstall. Finally, go ahead and restart your Dell laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch.